Hello, fourth grade. How's it going? Happy Monday. Today we're going to review multiplication of whole numbers by base 10. So let's get started. What we did last time, boys and girls, is we were able to understand what multiplication was by base 10 just by looking at some of those problems. For example, on page 36, we were taking a larger number like 600 and multiplying it by 5. But what we were basically doing was multiplying 6 times 5 to get 30 and then adding the extra zeros that were inside of our problem, right? So if we can relate those numbers to problems that we've already done in the past with multiplication, they're going to be a whole lot easier, right? So on page 36, we finished those problems, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just doing some review, okay? With the problems that we did last time, I found something called quizzes, okay? This quizzes shows a little bit about the problems that we've done, okay, but just in a more interactive way. These are the results of some of the problems that we did from last time. So for example, you see lots of kids got 100%, all right? You even see the percentage of each one of the problems that we did based on how well we understood the concept, okay? So here is the second half of the group. Okay, so most people got a pretty good grade on this assignment, all right? I was pretty impressed. Those that didn't enter or maybe were not able to answer the questions will hopefully be able to do that next time. Okay, so those are the results. This is for fourth grade A. This is one of the questions that we didn't get correct. So if we take 70 times 5, for example, we can also really relate that to 7 times 5 times 10. So 7 times 5 is 35, and then times 10 is 350. So your answer should have been 350. 9 players got that correct. Another problem that we had was 40 times 5. Well, that's the same as 40 times 5, 4 times 5 times 10. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, times 10 is 200. So your answer should have been 200, okay? 11 players got that one correct as well. That one just took a little bit longer. It wasn't that difficult. All right, for fourth grade B, we had some pretty similar results. Okay, lots of kids got 100%. Lots of kids really understood this concept. And those that didn't quite understand it will have to do a little bit of review. Okay, this is one of the problems that we didn't get correct. For example, in fourth grade B, 60 times 2 is the same as 6 times 2 times 10. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, times 10 is 120, which 10 players got correct, so nice job. Here's another problem that we didn't quite get correct. It's the same problem, I think, as the other group. 4 times 5 is 20, and then we multiply that by 10, so 200 is our answer, right? So that's the end of our class, okay? I just wanted to show you some of the results of this class. If you have any questions at all, you can see Mr. Joseph and you can go to Google Classroom to try to figure out some more help with those types of problems, okay? Just to end class today, boys and girls, I'm going to show you a couple of things on the Instagram page. On this Instagram page, I have posted just a few things. The report for extra math. We didn't have any really new students, but I do congratulate Adrian and Marcelo, as well as some fifth grade students for their participation in extra math, okay? And if you are interested, I'd really like you to do Prodigy. We didn't have any students. We had 0 students that entered Prodigy this past week, okay? So it's really important that you enter Prodigy if you can, all right? Other than that, we're going to continue with these topics that we've been working on with whole numbers, multiplication, division, and our next chapter is fractions. So we will be getting into that next week. We'll talk to you guys later.